Hey guys, we're at Home Depot today to buy a lawnmower. Musa, which one you like? Which lawnmower you like? This? I like yellow one. This one. That's your favorite? Okay. Musa, are you ready to get a lawnmower? A big tractor? Yes? You wanna drive it? Yes? Look at Mickey. Mickey's driving this car. Oh, good job, Mikhail. Yeah, Musa can do it too. I'm so proud of you guys. Hey guys, do you like this section? Mikhail.
Mama, what's this?
Hello, honey.
Mama, this is true.
This is Santa Claus. Look, it's a big one. That's reindeer. Yeah. Hey, honey. Hi, Mikhail.
So many good boys and girls this year. I will have a busy night filling all those pockets.
Musa, you like it?
Here comes Santa Claus.
No, are you scared? Musa, should I drive this? Huh? Go home? Where do you want to go then? We're waiting for Aslan. He went to get a truck. And Musa is crying he doesn't want to go home. I don't know why. There he is.
I don't want to go this walk.
You getting a mower?
I don't like. I don't need my house.
Why not? We just bought that.
Mama.
We're waiting for Aslan. Someone's gonna unlock it for us so we can take it home. They're about to load that up. I kind of want to see how they do that.
Quick, steep climb. How's he getting this off of this thing? Yeah.
I'm really curious.
We got more people inside there to help with this? Oh, there goes two right there. Ed! Hey, where you going, Ed? What's up there?
You and Nick, got to stay up there, me and Steve.
I don't know how he's gonna get that off. That would be fun.
I mean, it would be nice for you to sit up in there. Well, I'll go up in there. That's the easy job. I'll definitely take that easy one.
Listen, man. I know Jeremy trained you.
Jeremy?
And he just goes with it.
1, 2, 3.
Fun. My husband has to Google it, how to start it. Musa, come here. This is your truck. So strong.
This is my house. Yeah, that way.
Super strong. Look, Papa is super strong.
Hold me. Hold me. So tight. How my big car, Mama? Big car.
Okay, baby. Okay, let me see. Yay, good job. That was fun, right, Musa? Musa, that was fun, right?